back at it again. I remembered the PNG tuber this time. Played the wrong thing. There we go. Alright, well, I will admit, a little bit before stream, I did test out some theories as to why this thing wasn't working properly that we were trying to tackle at the end of stream yesterday. And I feel like a dummy. I think I know what the issue is. And we'll show it here. It should be like a, hopefully, if I'm right, it'll be like a 5-minute fix. Alright. And if so, then we might be able to move on to some other stuff. But our main goal today is to work on some bug fixes. We're going to fix those bugs. As soon as I can put the cap on my drink, we'll get started. Alright. So I played around with this and was very curious as to why trying to breakpoint through this, it just wasn't working. It had me very confused. And so I was, you know, trying to figure out what that, why that was. And I figured it out. One, I figured out, our interface was not firing correctly. And then each time I got through here, it just didn't seem to be awarding, the stars like it's supposed to. Figured out why. This is our little culprit right here. Whatever is setting this is not properly setting it. So it's useless to us. So I need to get game state, use the built-in Unreal method instead of whatever this is. Because let's see. I'm sure this thing's used quite a bit. No, only here. Wow. Okay, then I bet it's declared. Let's see. I bet it's declared over here in our game mode. Trying to see if we can find it. Doesn't look like it. Alright, so let's go to our game mode. Base game. Nope. Alright, so it's not a C++ thing. And go up this hierarchy. Up, there it is. And again, is never used. Okay, well. Let's make use of it. Let's see, can I do it in the construction? In the construction script? Get game state. Rather not do it on the begin play. If I can help it. Is there a parent? Yeah. Let's call the parent. Cast that. See if that works. Going with a different solution than what I thought I was going to do like 5 minutes ago. Where our stream was starting. But we'll see how this works. That's a breakpoint we don't care about. We gotta do all this so it does the proper setup for the minigame. See how it goes. Come on. Come on, let me be right. We just set this and it work. It's... No! No! We scored on ourselves. Well, admittedly, we don't really want that. We need to score on other people. Guess I could just go with 2 players. But right now, I just want to check with 1. I want to just ease out our potential issues of just removing as many variables as possible from the equation. But if we get this working, we might move on to readdressing some things that some more fun stuff, basically. Okay, so that fired. Still an unknown class. Hang on, I gotta wrestle my mouse from one of my cats. Stop chewing the cord. Let me work. All right. So I bet that's not gonna really fire. Yeah, that's not firing. Okay. So in that regard, that sucks. Why is that not? We overriding the construction script by any chance? Oh, I bet because this is invalid. That's why. Yeah. Okay, so this probably won't work either. In which case, if this is the only place using it, let's get rid of it. We don't need it. We got our own game state, and we like it. Right, let's copy paste this. Actually, we don't even need to copy paste this. We can just draw the reference over here. Draw the reference, delete that, and play. Yeah, before stream I was investigating, thinking there was something wrong with my debugger. Maybe some environment settings in Visual Studio somehow messed with it. I was on the verge of doing a deep dive through Visual Studio settings to see what could go wrong. I could not figure out why I did not want to step through the apply player stars. Great. How did I whiff that so bad? No, yeah, go in there. Let's remove this. We don't care about that one. Okay. That should work. And there we go. Oh, finally. Okay. That one took a lot longer than I really ever wanted it to. Okay, yeah, so now we are awarding players the stars. Go through. And yeah, everything should be working now. And basically what the theater is wanting for some reason. This was set up before me, but this data structure is very It's very particular. We're storing the minigame states on the game instance. And we are... Let's see. Can't even tell what the data type is for this. But it's wanting a list of what stars were awarded to those players. And that is what prevents the theater from continuing. Which, can increase the size of this, make it easier to read. But yeah, persistent minigame state. Yeah, it's just a T-map. Maps the persistent, what I assume is the persistent player index, to the number of stars they earned during each minigame. And it's just done in order, and I guess in hopes that, well, no, not done in order. Order doesn't matter. It's a map. And this is, yeah, a T array of that strut. Okay. And apparently, ultimately, that's what we're doing. We are signing out the minigame, saving the minigame state data. And then at some point, though, like, we end up, yeah, persistent star counts. We read data from there and populate that field, which is a little odd. I need to sit down and go through and kind of remap some of this. We've got some functionality that's not needed and some that just kind of, I don't know. Feels like there was a certain thought behind them that's now no longer the direction we want to go. But okay, cool. And so we trigger this, which, yeah, shouldn't have triggered anything. We go back to the theater. We step through here. And we have a value back. Awesome. Beforehand, this was just empty. This T-map was empty. So yeah, so now we can see that's not... I don't think that's the persistent player ID. I think it's a different value. But, yeah. Alright, so theater should work. And there we go. We got the decal on boy? Alright, now we're going to investigate some other stuff. We need to eventually address these errors, but we're not going to do that today. We need to address these errors. Something about excess none. It's spitting a lot. But we'll come back to it. Alright, here, first off, okay. Yeah, I removed the breakpoints, okay. And I want to see. Okay, yeah, this shouldn't have it. Yeah, this doesn't have the decal. That was interesting. Why was it using, seems like it was using this one. Oh, although, let's see. Nope, shadow decal? Yeah. We probably don't want that on, well, we might. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it uses that. I guess these don't allow for that kind of material. Okay. Interesting. Now, let's try with our 3-player mentality. Just ensure it works with multiple players. Still got set to only 1 score. We'll be sure to remove that before we submit. Bop. Alright, we award stars. Oh, somebody disconnected. That's not good. What? Oh. Whole thing went kablooey. It's probably these breakpoints. I've noticed some weird issues with that. With Unreal handling transitioning. Reconnecting. We'll just remove this. Move that. Let's go again. Oops, wrong one. Actually, we do still need to get the color right. That might be our next task. So now I realize I can get my mouse pad back. One second, let me check out something. One second, gotta respond to somebody. All right. Bop. No. We gonna scorn ourselves? No, we got it. All right. And we transition. Why didn't you get your players? Okay. Wonder if it has something to do with these errors. Let's see. What is this branch node? Oh yeah, it's not getting the ability system yet. Check to see if it's valid. Hang on, do we've got flag settings on? Yeah, we got network emulation. Oops. Oh, we didn't get any more of those errors, so that's good. Okay, that's confusing. Okay, let's look into that now. Actually, we can... Let's see, we set the teams. Team number. I get game state. Let's see, do we have something for this? Maybe it's on player state. Oh, avoid that. See, I think we've got something. Pretty sure because our UI grabs the data, or did at one point. So we should have something in here that enables us to know what team we're on. Player state, interfaces. Yeah, get player team. Yeah. Okay. Get player team, and then... Okay, to int. And we will do -1. And then plug that in. Let's see. Want to override. Isn't there a possess? Unreceived player state. Okay, so that would be... Okay. That would be server only. Want something that'll be quick enough at the beginning, which could be the possessed. So if we're being possessed by a player controller, that means we should have a player state. At least the controller would have a player state. But that only fires on the server, which means that we'd have to multicast what we need. Unreceived player state. I want to say we looked into this before, and I don't think it fires. Let's see. Whoops, not blueprints. Maps. Minigames. Rinky dink. Let's go with just one. Yeah, that didn't fire. Close some of this out because I don't need it. Close down my... Oh, okay. We just need this. Actually, I don't know. Did it fire? How's that? Hello. I'll just put a breakpoint. Yeah, that's not firing. Okay. Handle possess. Okay. See if we can find it. Am I still working on that one problem? No. No, the problem yesterday, I think we solved. It's kind of hard because we were having an issue reproducing it. Today we fixed an issue with going back to the theater. And now I'm looking into getting our indicator, our little ring decal to show what team we're on. I'm just trying to find a event that actually fires and is consistent. That's an AI controller. That's a player controller. Interesting. Okay. So I'm just kind of looking at our options here. How you doing, Zio? Yeah. We've got a few issues that we keep like stumbling upon that I need to take some more time to look into. But it's getting there. I would say the minigame is almost done. There's definitely been some ideas as to ways we can improve it, but I think the initial first pass of it will be done. It's hot outside today. I stepped outside for I think 5 seconds to get a package. I don't even know if it was hot or not. On character possess. Okay, what fires with this? Nothing, okay. Possessed. Does this fire? This says it only fires on the server. Which could be good. We just have to... We'll have to set up something weird to get the decal to be consistent. AI controller. Then player controller. Okay. Let's see. I change this up for 2 players. We know this is server only. I wonder if this is. If handle possess is not server specific, then this might be what we want because this is just cosmetics. We want it to populate across. So that's the server. 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 Client. Okay. Okay, so I think this is where we want to do it. Let's take this stuff. We'll go here first with it. Check this out. Doing this so we get a 0 index, because I know this enum is going to be a 1 or a 2 because none is our 0 index. None shouldn't be used, so we're just going to do a -1. There's probably a better way to handle this later on. We made the enum first and then made this, so... Well, they were kind of made separately, so... Yeah. Oh, actually, let's see. For this, we need to cast. We need a player controller, because we already know that an AI controller is going to pass through. AI won't have a it won't have a player state. Or at least not one that we care about. There is talks about having some AI party members to fill in the ranks, but nothing's been built for that yet. Right now, just trying to get the minigames done. Okay. So bam, bam. Can't tell on this map. But why is my broom broken? What happened to broom? Oh. Duh. I'm an idiot. Server, why did you not get your cosmetics updated? Oh. Is there a call to the parent that needs to happen? There we go. Okay. Up. All right. So we need to go to the other map that enables us to see this decal, because this one's not been fixed yet. The Rinky-Dink Square. Yeah, we've got one, but yeah, we don't have the other. Oof. Yeah, that's not firing on the other end. Okay, yeah. See, we keep finding bugs, because that's not replicating. Okay. We'll call it team decal. We'll make this a rep notify. And on the rep notify, we will let's see. Oh, this can go back up here. We don't need this. This is part of the animation stuff. Right. Or then really all we need is we just need to set the decal. The rep notify. Well, everybody gets that value. It's all fine. And you'll just set the decal. In which case, where was that server one? What was it, possessed? Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Great. It's pretty interesting with the camera on this map. Playing around with the new idea about more dynamic camera movement in the mini games. I think it'll turn out pretty good. Oop. But yeah, this decal only shows up on this map because it doesn't have a texture on it. But we can at least use it to verify that everything works right. Zoomies. All right. All right, so we got quite a bit of things fixed. Actually, before we check in, let's go ahead and try to fix one thing. We can do some cleanup, some reorganization. Okay, this. Let's see. There's supposed to be some additional logic with this. I'm just kind of curious if it got done. So what triggers speed boost? Not that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we never hooked up the speed boost. Okay. Let's see, what's our shove? Click 2. Where was our shove? Pop head, collision, on step notify, cosmetics. We'll find it. Oh, that's something to note is we need our call to parent. Need that. They're dealing with inheritance. Okay. Now where do we put that? I can't remember what we called it. Some ability for shove. Well, I guess we use gas, so it would be on the gas ability. Oh, it opened up over here. Primary ability, that's what we called it. See, I think I did something like this in Shootout. I believe I hooked into the main things with it. Thought I did. Did I put stuff in the player controller? Yeah, primary ability. Okay, so how do we want to handle this then? Okay, let's get our notes out. Okay, hopefully done. We were having a hard time replicating that. Fixed. Power-ups, on hold. Okay, so what we want to do, got a problem with want of the hockey stick and apply a speed boost to the puck. Do that, we've got need to press the ability button, and that will play animation and check collision. And then we need to check collision for puck, front of player. Possibly use hockey, the hockey stick collision. Not sure if we're bound to use that. We've been having some weird issues with collision. We'll have to experiment with that a little bit. But other than that, so once we do, we apply speed boost puck. Puck only allows for one speed up per use. That makes sense. Basically implying that like once it's going once with the speed boost, you have to wait for it to slow down before you can apply another. And I think that will allow for, I think that's everything that we need to do for it. I'd forgotten about this, so I wanted to type it up just to kind of get my thoughts out on paper. Which, let me check something real quick. All right, let's see. I'm caught up on everything chat-wise. Oh yeah, Alright, let's check out the YouTube stream. Let's see that that's all working as intended. Alright, it looks like it. And yeah, for any of the people on my Twitch, I am co-streaming on YouTube for this game development. It's a team I'm a part of, and there's other people that also stream on the YouTube channel. So if you're interested in seeing more of this stuff and want to see more like some of the design stuff and less the programming side of things, be sure to follow the YouTube and see more stuff. You can also wishlist. You can also let's see. There we go. You can also wishlist the game on Steam. So yeah, be sure to check it out. Right now, I'm pretty much only doing streams of this game for development on my channel. But this channel is also meant for, well, the Twitch channel is also meant for other stuff that I like to do, such as speedruns or play other video games. But if you want to see more of Rowdy itself, go to the YouTube. Go to the YouTube channel and give it a follow, give it a subscribe, whatever YouTube calls it, and follow them. Like I said, I'm not the only one that streams on it. So if you want to keep up with more stuff, that's just the best way to keep track of things. And from what it sounds like, we will start funneling people to a community Discord. So I'm sure any news like that, any up-to-date stuff like that will probably happen over there. So yeah. Alright, we got our spiel out of the way. I think I'm ready to try to tackle this problem. Also, hi Midnight Cat. I still love your emotes. They are so cute. We got both mods in today. It's great. The hair color needs to be changed. Yeah, but it's still cute with the purple. Let's see if we can kind of show these emotes. They're cute. They're adorable. Got cozy and hello and derp. Derp is me. Derp is what I look like without the PNG tuber. I look like a derp. I don't have a mustache. That's because I struggle with facial hair. All right. Can't get it takes too damn long to get a mustache for me. Not worth it. All right. So I don't like this left button. No, you look worse. Geez, Zio just coming out with the punches. All right. Let's see, do we got a interface for this? Yes, we do. Let's go to that. We don't even use this anymore, do we? Yeah, okay. So we don't need this. Let's see. What do I want to call this? I don't think of even what I'm trying to achieve. I guess this is shove hockey stick. Even though really it's more of a broomstick, but it's shove hockey stick. Let's bring this down here. If I can find out where here is. Let's see. Can we tell what montage it's playing? Broom sweep. Broom sweep pose. Okay. Oh, well we can do a do once. And then once it's complete, we can do this. And let's go back to Rinky Dink. Get our player controller that we have no logic in. And primary ability. The controlled pawn. And we want to shove hockey stick. Okay. Oh, was it on the other one? Whoop. Yeah. Where did you go? There you are. Nope. Shit. Pop up. Works once. Banhammer. Been a while since we get bots. We haven't gotten bots the past few streams. I like banning the bots. Why is it never completing? On notify end? I don't know. He's sweeping. All right. Let's go into here, and this will go back into here. Go in there. Oh my gosh, this is not working. All right. Let's go down to 1. Okay. Interesting. We'll keep that in mind. But notify and. Nope. Whoops. Kind of surprised this, like, on complete doesn't get called. Why wouldn't on complete get called? Okay, well that seems to work, which is interesting. Don't need any of the shootout stuff anymore. Don't need shove. Just 1 second. All right. Okay, so we know how we want to have this fire. Let's see. Yeah, we have a server play montage. Yeah, and we got a multi. Okay. Well. Boo. All right. Let's see. When does this get fired? I'm playing as a second player. Am I firing on the server whenever I'm saying that I want to do this? I think it plays it on the client. Yeah, client. Yeah, okay. So it's going to be on the client, so we need to call to this. Or we say play. Hockey shove animation. I guess really just kind of shifts all this stuff down here. Yeah, okay. I need another custom event. Do multicast the animation so that everybody sees it. I believe. Let's see, let's test something out on this, because I remember experimenting with this a little bit, but I can't remember if I need to go the extra mile or not. Oh, I forgot to make this multi. Okay, so I don't have to go the extra. Bop, 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 bop. See, can I check for authority here? Let's see. It'll be this person. Has authority. No authority. Okay. So we do know who has and who doesn't. Okay. In that regard, we will still go through here. And what we will do is, while the animation's playing, only if we have authority, probably want to check. See if we even get a response out of this. Oh, whoops. Only spawned in with one person. Well, it went right in. Yeah, I never saw this get triggered. Oh, one thing's got no collision. See if the other actor is the puck. Oops. We'll print that out. It's a hit. We will check for the puck as well. Okay. Okay, so we got a collision. Whoop. All right. We never got a hit to happen, so. All right, if we have authority. We have authority. We want to rather not do Boolean flag. Just rather not. Don't really want to do a Boolean flag with this. Might be the best. Might be the. It's at least the quick and dirty way of handling this. Yeah, I guess it's like, do we really need to make it perfect the first time around? We just need it to work, right? It's not going to be too out of hand to add one Boolean. Alright, we'll just say it can apply speed boost. Let's see, remote, we'll go into that. Authority here. Then swing that back. Alright. So we'll have authority while we're doing this. And then if we collide with this... And we can apply a speed boost. Then speed boost. Whoop. Let's see. Okay. A little finicky. That'll work out. Whoops, not that. Want to do once. Once this is finished, we just reset. Well, speed boost. See, that was during begin overlap. Okay, so let's change that. On a hockey hit, on end overlap, do our cast, and promote the variable. Our overlapped puck. Let's take this away. Whenever it ends, we just kind of stop that. Then on event tick. That's dirty. I don't like that. Gross. I don't like this. Don't like it checking every tick. But just want it to work. And then I'll think about the architecture afterwards. All right. Oh yeah. Sure, that's valid. Okay. We don't have anything for like during collision. Actually, I could move this out of the event tick. And only do it right here, but the only problem is it's a tight window. Like the same problem of this. It's going to be a very tight window to hit. I guess this could work. Yeah, we'll go with that. In which case, I don't need you. Don't need you or you. Let's see, what are you? You're uninterrupted. I don't know why uninterrupted is the event that fires, but it does. We go with it. All right, let's rearrange this. All right. Make this reliable. That's a gameplay mechanic. We definitely want that to always send out. Okay. Now let's submit this stuff. Fix. Oh boy, what did we fix? Let's see. Added speed boost. Gameplay mechanic. Puck. Fix issue of going back theater properly. From Rinky Dink. What else did we do? Oh, got team colors assigned for Rinky Dink. All right, cool. All right, okay, so this is done. Instead of power-ups, I'm gonna look into for just a little bit. We won't spend too long on it. Something else I'm going to look into is launch character for shove ability. Because right now our shove ability is taken out. And I would really like to not have to worry about that. We might be able to do a proof of concept here in Rinky Dink, actually, to see if this will work. Let's see. This part might have to be reworked because I'm going to need to do this through like an array to shove them, but I just want to know how well it works on a latency, on a really high latency. Character. See, we'll convert to a validated get. Launch character. Let's see. Let's copy this over. Let's see, multiply by a float. About 500. Because what is our... let's see. Move speed, 600. Okay. The float. Let's do 600. Then the X and Y. Great, let's see if this works. Let's see. Oh, we don't even have a way. We're not even assigning the overlapped pawn. I got ahead of myself. Actually, overlapped character. This is gross, but fine. All right. Right now we don't have any latency, so fine. Oh, that Let's crank that baby up. To an outrageous number. I want them to move. Shout across. Okay. Now, how does that look with population? Oops. Okay. Well, whenever we shove client. Not smooth. Try 12. Yeah, it's still gonna snap you. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's what we wanted to find out. Yeah. You can see on the right, like, it's just... the character is just snapping. Got your games in plastic, see-through cases now. Nice. That for 2 Genesis and 1 N64 game. Nice. I need to start, I need to reorganize my collection of games. Really badly. I need to get some shelves to, put up around my office so I can, put more of my game systems up. I'd like to have like a little dock station where I can easily have a couple of consoles plugged up and make them real easy to swap out, especially with streaming. Make them real easy to swap out with that. I think that'd be pretty nice. Oh, let's see, which we... Oh, 30-second clip already made. Yeah. Let's see my clips. Did I... I don't remember making this. One of my cats must have stepped on my keyboard a while back. Flipped something for me. On somebody else's channel that I never even talk in. Oh, that's embarrassing. Oh, I thought I made a clip. Not what that does. I hate navigating Twitch sometimes. I actually want to, like, There it is. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. Back to my stream manager. We're going to mimic this behavior again so I can show it and share it. If I can actually hit them. Just to kind of show off this lag with this. And this is with the launch character. So this is with launch character. Right. Flip that. Copy to clipboard. Okay. Let's see. See how well this turned out. All right. That is some. All right. So we tried this, didn't work out. All right, I'm just going to revert this file because we're not getting anything out of it. It's not, while it would be neat to push the characters around, we're still worried about the latency issue for clients that have bad connections of it just popping. We've been looking at other solutions for it, but for now we just do without. It's a shame. I think it'd make the minigame more fun once we can get that solved, but for now that it's just not on the table. All right. Let's see. What else do we want to do? Let's check out the other minigames. Let's kind of get a preview of what some of these other minigames look like. Oh, one thing I need to fix that we accidentally pushed up is the max point limit. Let's increase that to 5. As long as it's not 1. Let's at least get that up there. It was initially on 20. Not sure if they really want it on 20. Oh, I can do some reorganizing here. It's thinking there was a file that we forgot to reorganize. Got to clean it up at least. And I'm not too worried about the lines right now. Usually they bother me, but not today. Set point limit 5 in Rinky Dink. Okay. We got that. Close out of all this. And okay, yeah, I want to go to maps, mini games. Check that. Some of these mini games still work. There's a big playtest coming up, so make sure that this stuff works. Do you want a blueprint open? I hate opening it in this editor and then having the little small screen beside it, so sure, let's something that we have set up. UI is big, but that's fine for now. Oh, already got caught. Okay, so points did go out. Okay, we're just gonna let it run. I don't think there's any immediate problems with this one. This one I've not worked on. I've only done like one small thing for this. And that was just like a small little replication issue. Okay, so it does go back. So let's check to make sure this one works. Right, play as the host, make sure that it works for us. Oh, okay. All right. Now that worked. We gotta do shootout. Shootout takes a while. Huh. I am noticing a sound issue with this one. Here, let's restart that one. Yeah, it's like the music doesn't want to start. All right, we'll just last this out. Let this run. Got some points going. Last it out for the minute. I like this minigame, but it takes too long to for like a normal playtest when we're like I just need to get to the end. It's too long. I need to make sure everything works accordingly. The hay bale and the I like the the rolling environments and how they're not synced up. They don't need to be, but it's just funny seeing them just tumble, the tumbleweeds. Great. So there's that. Let's see what other mini games. So, got Noir, Wacky West, Hockey. Yeah, so should be good. I do want to look into sound effects with Shootout. Shootout's having some weird issues. Because if I hit start, yeah, there's supposed to be like which I know like audio doesn't come out well on the stream. Just because I don't want other computer sounds not related to the game coming through. But there is a sound issue there. We'll see if I can solve it. Something with the fake out. That's the stunned. Okay. This feels like it's missing some logic. This feels like something got deleted. Keep opening things up over there. Take out stick. Here. Oh, okay, yeah, see, that's what's missing. Okay. Whoop. Not like that. Okay. It did not like that at all. So it's using a different animation. It's alright, but we need our sounds in here. Let's see. But at the end, basically at the end, back just a few frames, forward a few frames, draw you. Okay. Audio. What'd this call it? Fence. Okay. Okay. Back to maps. Oh yeah, we got Minecart Mania to check out. Let's actually check this out while we're at it. Two people. Oof. See that this increases. All right. Looks like that's working pretty good. So we'll just... All right. That works. And now let's go back to shootout. I think the new animation for the hip shot's a little too long compared to the other one. I think it's lasting a bit too long. All right. Something else I've noticed. Again, I know like most of these are audio sounds and they don't come through on the stream, but I do need to address these. Where does it play? It's probably on the game mode, I bet. Put the game mode. Plays some audio. That probably needs to be changed. I want to find some more references of this. Okay. Okay, nothing in the level blueprint. There's some audio playing. It's only playing on the server. Don't know where it's at. Gonna be the pop-up life cycle. Not here. Doing nothing in the game state. Doing nothing in the player state. Okay, so it has to be. Okay, so that's the base loop. We got any other sound components? Okay. I don't think we'll worry about this for now. Oh, my bitrate's dropping. Wrong bitrate. All right. To be honest, I think we're gonna call it. I think that's where we're gonna end it for tonight. I think we got quite a bit done. We knocked out. I think we finished the game loop for Rinky Dink. So So yeah, I think we'll call it there for tonight. I think that's gonna be it for me for this week. And I think we're done with that minigame. At least for the most part. We at least got a basic loop going. We can play it beginning to end. Should be decently fun. I think there's a lot more that we could expand on it for sure, but we gotta get some other things filled out and explore some more ideas before we come back to it. But I think for now it is first pass I would consider done. So but yeah, I think that'll do it for me. Again, if you're on the Twitch side of things, you know, obviously I appreciate you coming out. I really do. But I also co-stream on the YouTube side of things as well for this. I'm working with a team of people, so there's other people that also stream on the YouTube channel. If you want to see more stuff, I highly recommend clicking that link, go to the YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. For me, for the most part, I do the programming side of things for it, but we've also got Connor, who also does the tech art side of things, more of the design. He's been showcasing some of his stuff over there as well. So if you want to see that, be sure to head over there for that. This game can also be wishlisted on Steam. It's been out there for a while, but you can mark it down and know when it's any updates that come on that side of things. We are preparing a public Discord or starting to advertise it more. I'm not entirely sure this situation there. But those two ways will be ways to find out more than just being on my stream. Again, I do appreciate anybody that does come out and follow or anything like that, but we're pretty much, yeah, the YouTube side of things. But all right, I guess that'll do it for me for tonight. Hey, Stormrun Gaming. Yeah, sorry, you caught us at the end of the stream tonight. I've got to go ahead and head out. But be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out the VODs. All right, guys, I will see you later. Bye.